spend the day quietly under a nice shady tree. Oh, don't think I don't appreciate it. You devoted a whole day to me, giving up your time, not doing the things you usually do.
Alright, chat. One momento. Dude. Hold on, I need to turn up my microphone a little bit. Just a little bit, just a bit more. I think, no, just a bit more. Okay. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. Cool. Now what do I need to do? I have my chat open, so that's good. But yeah, so basically today we're gonna be developing games instead of playing them. I might play some as well, I don't know. I kind of felt bored and I was doing my university project and it was related to games, so I thought why not stream it. So here we are. Now, first question, how do I stream? I believe like that. Okay, that works. Yeah, so if you guys see the black bars, I replaced them with textures. I don't know if I should keep it that way. Maybe I'll remove it. Let me see. Let me see. Should I keep it like... I think that's better, right? Yeah, I'll just keep it like that, man. Kind of don't want it to be there. Okay. You probably see a lot of stuff going on here. That's just OBS. Ignore that. Alright, let's minimize that. That's Spotify. Okay, here we are. On the right side, I've got you guys. And on the left side, we've got the game. Okay, now the question is, if I play the game, will it be laggy? Hopefully not. I need to make that window smaller. Okay. So far what I've been doing, I'll just show you guys around is, well, I've been making this environment, right? So in this environment I've got at the moment, well, not environment, a level. We've got some mountains, we've got a little bit of snow here. We've got our trees. Yes, they are flowing with the air. When I stop moving, they stop moving as well, but moving on, we've got different spots of ice. Well, not ice, snow. So the concept behind this is it's going to be like a village in the middle. Again, keep in mind I'm not a game developer. I am learning how to develop games at the moment. I have no idea how to do this. I should probably remove the trees that are in here. So I'll just start off by doing that. Oh, here too. So yeah, these trees, of course, I want them in here. Maybe I'll add them in later on, but for the moment I don't want to keep them in here. Okay, I think that should be good. So basically the idea behind this is going to be that we'll have a village in the middle. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, So we'll have a village in the middle, right? And in the village, we'll basically have zombies. Because why not? And those zombies are going to be attacking the player that we have. At the moment, it's just a cube. And it's probably inside the floor. Yep, okay, it's inside the floor. Let me fix that. Cube, come here. Let's move you a little higher, like that. And save it. That's, imagine that being our player, right? This is again just for scaling purposes at the moment, so I can scale stuff the right way, so it's sized appropriately. But yeah, so this is what it looks like at the moment. Not a lot of fancy lighting effects at the moment because we're not in game mode. If you go into the game mode, then it's something different, of course. But without the game mode, that's what it looks like. So today what I'll be doing is probably add some houses and maybe add some props and stuff, and after that the project basically goes like, I'll just open this up. So yeah, it's gonna be a village. We'll add in some village assets and all that. So basically like props like cartwheel, granary. I made a map for this, so I have an idea in mind of what I want to do. I want to make a blacksmith. Why is this place empty? Oh, never mind, it's not empty. It's got some trees, but not all of them. Okay, fine. Also, I want to test one thing, right? Let's go in here. Why am I not in game mode? It's paused. Okay, hold on. Invalid editor window. What? Okay. I see that moving, but I'm not playing anything. Why? Let's try that again. Oh. Oh no, that's not good, chat. I also have no idea what that means. Okay, so I'll have to Google it, I guess. Okay. Fallback editor window. Let's see why you're showing up. Oh. Maybe that will do it. No? Well, that's what people said. Okay, hold on. Let's go to default and let's hit play. Oh, okay, it works now. Cool. Oh no, not that. My layout. Okay. Uh-oh. I don't want to hear that at the moment. Okay, I should probably exit my Steam as well because it's going to be annoying seeing those all the notifications and whatnot. Let's cut that out. Okay. Need to move my mic a bit. Alright. Hopefully it works now. Let's take a look. Play. Okay, cool, it works. Ignore the lighting down here at the moment. It will fix itself in a moment. There we go. Okay. Now what I want to test is the weather change, but what I'm going to need to do that is keep that like that. Play this. And on the right side here, I'm going to weather controls. Well, let's make it clear sky. Okay, how does it look? Not bad. The shadows are very harsh though. And the quality, I believe that could be because of 1. Okay, let's make that 5. What about cloudy? Foggy? Oh, that's a lot of fog. Light rain. Oh, should we keep it at light rain? Now, look, the question is, why are the shadows I need to figure out the lighting aspect of this as well, because as you guys can see, we've got clouds. Let me turn this off. But for some reason, it's still making shadows, which I don't understand. And very hard shadows. Okay. Heavy rain. Light snow. Yeah, see, the shadows are just too hard. Why? I need to figure that part out. Okay, we've got heavy snow now. Storm. That's what. Clear sky. Okay, we need to figure out these shadows. You see those? I need to speed up my player, man. This dude's so slow. Okay. Right, so if you get closer, they load in, but look at that. Those shadows are too hard. I don't know if it's a game thing or what, but or the engine thing, I mean. Okay, so the shadows load in when I go closer. But those shadows are too hard. Too hard for my liking. Okay. Let's go to Edge. Where is it? Why do I close you? Oh? No, I don't want to do that. How to make Unity... Oh. 100% Unity softer. Okay, we have one search result. Let's also go to Google in the meanwhile and search it there. How to make Unity shadows softer. Set the point light to soft shadows. Okay. Switch to a directional light. Adjust your shadow quality, your number of bounces, your shadow type. And use directional light. Okay. What are we using at the moment? As far as I know, or at least what I think. Oh, you're all over here. Okay. Okay, let's go back in here. Is that we should have been technically using that already, but I'm guessing not. Directional, there we go. Okay. Real-time shadows. Strength, soft shadows, resolution. Very high resolution. Okay. Render mode auto. Volume light. Okay. I'm not sure. Cookie. I don't know what a cookie is. What is this? Lighting has been disabled, at least on scene view. Lighting has been disabled? Why is that? Mode real time, mixed, baked, real time. I'm a little confused, chat. Hold on. Okay, lighting has been disabled in at least one scene. Any changes apply to light until lighting has been enabled again. How do I enable it? That's volume light. That's nothing to do with that, does it? That's flare. Halo? I have no idea. Okay, well, we changed this. Let's see if it makes any difference. Let's go to the weather. Make that clear. Oh, wrong one. My bad. Clear sky. Oh, that is actually better. Okay. How bad did that affect my FPS? Not that bad. Directional light. Okay. Low resolution, very high resolution bias. Oh, look at that. That changes everything, chat. Okay. Normal bias. That's make them so hard. Near plane. Oh, the sound went away because it's daytime. Okay. Strength. What is this? Control. Can I can't. I can't change it. 1. Oh, it's updating manually. What? I mean, automatically. What are you doing? Indirect multiplier. Can I make that 10? What does that do? No, it doesn't do anything. Okay, color, light color. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't want to change it. Okay, let's just copy this. Let's see what happens if I move it to like that. Nothing happens. Point. Uh-oh. Spot. Directional. Okay, let's just keep it like that. All right, let's move. Oh, that looks so much better, chat. Okay. One issue solved. Lighting issue solved. Okay, good. Now, bias at 2, normal bias at 0. Okay, bias at 2, normal bias. I don't know what near plane does. Hold on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my cube in this scene. Where is it? Oh, where are you at? And we are going to move you closer to the trees. Like so. And we're going to go in here, save this so it doesn't change anything. And we are going to change our sky to clear. That's bright AF, chat. Oh my god. Okay. Now, how do I fix the lighting? Hold on. Camera settings, rendering setup, tone mapping. No. Uh-oh. Flare and camera setup paused. Paused, but time progress. Paused. Is that what it looks like? Nah, no way. Okay, okay. Wait, let me actually play it and see what it looks like. Hold on. It's important that we do that. Okay, that's what it looks like. The wind is too fast at the moment, but that's because it was for storm view. That's fine. You can stay like that. Lighting. This thing. Dual. Single. So that's basically what the light color is at the moment. What happens if I change this? Okay. Ooh. Ah, I see. Okay. Intensity, yes. So it changes itself. What does this do? What about this? What about this? You know what? Stay the way you were. What about music? Why did you stop? Oh, because of the ads, of course. Okay. Cool. Discord. Don't need to worry about it. Okay. Ambient. Flat. Twilight. Skybox. Lighting offset. Okay. I mean, there must be something that we can do that will make it better. Sky. Simple. Custom. Custom color. No, let's keep it default. And sun. Yeah, let's keep that stuff realistic and all of that. That's fine. Reflections. Now this changes a lot. Intensity. Okay. Reflection resolution. I'll keep it like that, man. I'm not gonna change. Weather. Oh yeah, this. That's fine. Seasons. Clouds. Insane. Yes, please. Okay, at the moment, my profile for the weather is at like clear sky. Let's make it a little cloudy. Okay, so the lighting doesn't change with it, which is what I don't like. Look, the lighting only changes afterwards. Low quality. Okay. I can change the timing myself. Oh, that looks really bad. Okay. General configs. Volume, light intensity, wind intensity, lightning storm, particle effects. Okay, seasons config, clouds config, audio configs. Blur. What does that do? Okay, that just does that. Nothing to look at there, chat. Sky blur intensity 3.53. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Aurora. What does that do? Lightning store in the daylight. No thanks. Okay, hold on. Let's play this. Dude, is it just me or this terrain like... That's probably just my player, but... Okay. The lighting is too harsh still. Not what I want. Not what I want at all. Near plane. Yes, now let's see what this does. Bias is that. Strength. I'm not allowed to change it. No shadows. No. Let's not do that. Okay. Near plane. I have no idea what that does. Draw a halo? No, don't do that. Render mode important. Lighting has been disabled. I don't know why it does that. Okay. Hold on. Now, what I get from this is that it's probably that this thing has shadow settings. Quality. No. Why does this not have settings for that? I don't get it. Look, I've got this another plugin called Ambient Skies, chat. Oh, I had Post FX on. What does that change though? Oh. That changes a lot. Okay. Uh-oh. Oops. Look at those trees. They look funny now because... Really? Another ad again. Okay, never mind. Let's keep moving. But if you get closer to them, you'll see that they start becoming their actual self instead of those weird looking builds. Should we go to the top, chat? I want to go to the top. Hold on. This player, I'm just going to change the speed for good at some point. At the moment, I'll just set it to like 60. All right, here we go. Look, so you see when they load in, they're proper. Okay, now these shadows I would really like if they were softer. But I think that's a limitation of the game engine. Oh, look. Yeah, I totally forgot I added these. Oh, they look cool. Not that I can... Oh. Okay, that looks good. The sky looks good. Let's change it, shall we? Cloudy 4. Let's make you cloudy 2. Oh, blinding light. Yeah. Okay. Clear sky. That's some crazy sunlight. Okay. Let's try foggy. Oh no. What about light rain? Hey, that's not bad. Oh, now it works properly. Never turn this on again. It will break it. Yep, it breaks. I get it now. I totally get it now. It was because of this thing that I had on. Dang it. Okay. What about storm? Oh. Now it looks proper. Now it looks proper. We have some more snowy trees up here as well. Let's see if we can get a lightning strike, chat. Nope, I just saw one. I don't know where it's happening, but it's happening. All right, well, that's good to know. That's very good to know. Let's put you in there. I don't get that green effect that happens when I change weather, but okay. And I am getting annoyed. by that one notification that was in Discord, but now it's no longer there, so that's good. And we managed to fix it. So the lighting should be fine now. Let's wait. Look at it. Much better. So much better. I'm just gonna wait for the light to strike and then see what changes. Because I know that it likes to change when the light strikes. Let's give it a moment. Here it comes. There we go. Okay, so yeah, it does look better when the lightning strikes, but the shadows are still there. The shadows need to be much more softer, and I believe that's just a game engine limitation. Yep. Okay. Now the question would be, if I go into here, third party. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So the skies we can leave as it is. Light. Lightning. Light maps. Oh, that's not lightning, that's lighting. Okay. Hold on. Let me go back to this scene and let me turn the light on. Uh-oh, that still looks bad. But okay, at least I can see stuff. What is this? Oh. Skybox on. Animated materials on. Post-processing on. What? What is that? Okay, we'll just keep the skybox on. Just so it looks good. Okay. You can really easily get lost when... Ooh, look at that sun now. Now I'm talking. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. What's next? Dude, this microphone needs to come up. Okay, hold on, chat. One moment. One moment. Okay. Right, it should be okay now. Let me just check the audio levels. Yeah, they're fine. And I just dropped a few frames because my internet is taking a crap. Okay. Well, next thing I need to do is I need to start putting in some houses. So let's start making some, shall we? So I'm gonna save this, and if you go into levels, house 1, save that. Okay. Why can I not see anything in this? What? Oh, I know why. Because of that. Got it. Okay. Now. This thing wasn't using the Enviro thing. That's fine. Moving on, moving on, moving on. Let's save that. Let's go to Quixel, Megascans. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Now I need to... Oh. Bring in some materials and stuff from this to basically work on a house. Now my question is, A, what kind of a house do I want to make? And B, what props do we add to it? I probably want to make a small house, to be honest with you. Not too big, because making big houses is annoying. And it will take a lot of time. Okay. 4K resolution. Yes, please. Okay, we are getting a door, chat. It's a medieval modular door. You'll see it in here in the moment. It's loading in, you can see that. Okay, I think it should be in now. There it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a folder called House Assets. You need to unlock this. I need to go into Megascans and put that there. Okay. Now what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to import that. I'm going to move their prefabs into this. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to be able to just open house assets and just grab what I need. That's like the simplest thing to do. Will save me a lot of time. Alright, of course we need walls. I'll keep this wall. That's the door we got, right? Yeah, I'll keep this wall. Okay, we've got that. Let's also grab this. I think we'll be needing this. Look at that. How have they done that? Oh, they made so they're okay, but I don't want to do that though. That's too hard. That's too much work. So basically, that reaction was because this roof isn't actually made using what I just brought in here. Oh, wrong one. It's made let me drag this to here. It's made inside a 3D software and then brought in to Unity or whatever thing they've used to render this image. Oh, come on now. Now the thing with that is, if you look at this, right, it looks amazing, it looks cool. But Unity doesn't have displacement. Well, it does, but it doesn't. Not this version. Displacement only works in HDRP, and I'm not using HDRP because it's just break stuff. At the moment, for me, I don't know enough about it to use it. Only if I was allowed to make this project in Unreal Engine, maybe I would have made it a lot better. Maybe I would have made it a lot worse, because to be honest, I don't know how to use either tools. This is my first time doing it. I just know that Unreal Engine is really popular. So, horse me or what the hell? So, now keep that thing in mind, right? I don't know how to use this tool properly to its full extent. I'm a beginner. I do know how to use 3D assets though. I know how to do 3D rendering, and that's why I was able to tell how they got that roof in there. It's custom textured using this thing right here. You can change its color as well. My question would be, can I do modeling in Unity and apply the texture right away? That's what my question would be. And how would the UV work? Because this requires UV editing. I don't know how UV would work inside this. I have absolutely no idea. Okay. So, I don't think we're going to be doing that anytime soon. Maybe we'll just use some stuff from here. I'm not sure. We'll probably be using a little bit more textures around the houses, but I don't think we're going to be doing that right now. So I'll just ignore that for now. The medieval gable. So this one, I'm guessing, has been used here, you see? Right there. That means it should have that as well then. I am probably missing it. It could just be my mistake. I'm going to take a look. What is that? Wooden log wall. Now that's beautiful, but I can't use it, unfortunately. Wooden planks. Now that's really good as well, but I can't use that either. Why? Well, I am not doing 3D modeling. Ooh, flint wall. That's pretty cool. More logs. I already have that. Logs. Chopping blocks. Now, putting an axe in that chopping block, that's a good detail. That's a very good detail. I'm gonna download this. Yeah, so let's download that. Wooden barrel? I already have a barrel, right? I believe I do, so I'm gonna assume that I do. Okay. A site. It's definitely interesting having a site, but probably not for what I'm doing. Wooden door texture. Okay. There's so much stuff in this, man. There's a door. Okay. I probably would want to use that, but Unity and this don't go well together, unfortunately, so I'm not gonna complain. Buffalo grass. Is that Atlas? Yeah, that's Atlas. Okay. Using atlases as possible. Oh, there it is. Found it. So it's a texture, as you can see. It's a surface. I cannot use it directly within it. It has displacement, which I can't use either, which is sad, but it is what it is. I would, however, want to use this. This would add a really cool looking effect. I'm gonna save this. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Dude, such amazing textures, but I can't use any of them because I'm not doing any modeling. Anyways, moving on. Do I have an axe? What is that? And what kind of... I've never seen that type of anvil, but okay. Learning new stuff every day. We have spoons. Chat, do we need spoons? Probably not. Ooh, splitting ball. Now that's something we should keep. But I'm gonna still not do any of that and work with what I have. Because I'm gonna get lost exploring the assets. Trust me, I will. So I don't want to do that. Wrong place. Okay, so we've got these two. I need a wall. I'll grab this wall. Let's put that there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, let's see, 2D mode maybe? No. Let's keep it in this mode. And let's go to the front. Okay, here we go. Let's start off with the door. Oh, that's the wrong mode. My bad. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Clipping. Uh-oh. Clipping. Okay, fine. Stay like that. Dude, I don't know why, but I feel like my... What happens if I go into 2D mode? Okay, I see the back of it. That's not right. Hold on. Well, I have to make all my... No, I don't want to... I am extremely confused. Where is this thing? It's all the way over there. 0, 0, and 0, man. Okay, there it is. That's 0, 0, 0, and it's probably going to be super small. Okay, yep, it is. Let's save it, and now go into this mode. Camera is clipping again for some reason. Not sure why. I'm just gonna move a little bit back. Perspective view, I'm okay with that. And let's start adding in some stuff.
Speaks to a primal pit in our brains.
Yeah, now that's another issue. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, let's see if I can work like this.
For the perfect Nescafé
I can. And this is an ad again. Let's go to moment, and it's up. Okay. Going back in. Oh, now it's fine. Cool. I like that. Where's the... Why can I not edit? What? I'm not seeing anything. Why am I not... My gizmo isn't working. Why are you not working? Wait a minute, what? Are you... Oh. Oh, probably because it's... Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, man. Okay. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. Probably because of that. Oops. My bad. Lol. Oh man. Okay, let's go back into this view. And let's line this stuff up. There we go. Much better. Okay, I probably need another one of these walls over here as well. Cool. I probably should do that. You might be like, do what? Do this, chat. Make a empty. Call this environment. And bring everything else inside this. And whatever I place here now will technically be just the part of the house, which will save us again lots of time. Okay, let's make sure it's all good there. Needs to be connected together. Looks good. Let's move this thing here and do a 2.0. Oh, no, not that. On x minus 1, like that. And there we go. Now let's take a look at it from the front. That to me looks good. Take a look at it from the side. It looks fine. From the bottom, looks good. From the top, looks good. Now, the question is, I think this is too big. gonna take it out. That, dude, can you go away? Can I hide this? I can, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. Super simple. Okay. Now my question is, if I do this, can I make it longer? I can. Okay, I'll just make it a little bit longer and move that there, because I don't want this to be too big. Having it too big of a house, first of all, keep in mind, adds more polygons. I don't want that. I don't want a lot of polygons and triangles. I want it to be a good looking house at not so much expense of the performance that I have. Though it would have been amazing to add the tech in Unity that Unreal Engine just brought out. Oh yeah, UE5 just brought out, called the Nanite. That was some cool stuff, man. Nothing beats that at the moment. I just said at the moment, keep that in mind. Why are you down there? What? Okay. That's not rotated, right? There we go. Okay. Oh, the lighting was on. That's fine, though. I think having lighting on, I'm not worried about it. I'm okay with that. Let's line this up. Cool, cool. Let's bring this. Copy paste it. Bring it here. Rotate this beauty like so. Place it there. Okay, cool. What do you think about that? Is that too big? I personally think that's too big. I would want that wall to be smaller. However, it's always good to look at it in this perspective view. Okay, no, that's actually fine. It's a longer house, but no, that's totally fine. I am totally okay with that. Now, what happens if I do this? Because I don't know. Not that. Maybe this. Okay, now let's move that there. So if it was just one, that would be like that. And if it's like this, it's proper, then cool. That's what I wanted. Let's copy that. Bring it here. Give it a rotatoroo. Give it a rotatoroo. Am I snapping it to grid line? I don't think I am. I need to turn that on. Is it in this? No. Opacity. Yeah, I want it to be fully, you know. Yeah, that. Oh, that's cool. I'll keep that on. That looks good. Yeah, cool. Let's keep that on and do that. Now, what I was trying to do is make it so it jumps on the grid. I know that there's an option for it. I just don't remember where it was. Is it there? No. Is it in here? No. That's the grid. Not that. Sounds. Nope. Nope. Wrong one. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Found it. Found it. Okay, let's bring this wall in here. Ooh, the shadow. Okay. Probably because of that. Yep, I was right. Okay. Let's line it up, but before we do that, I think it needs to be rotated on the z-axis. Yep, and it needs to be made smaller. Okay, let's go to the top. Let's move it in here first. Why can I not move you? Oh, grid snapping. Okay. I did notice that, chat. You're not wrong. There we go. That's lined up perfectly fine. Now this needs to be lined up, and I think it is. I don't think... Okay, that it's touching that. Let's move it here a little bit. Increase it in size. Like that. Okay, I think it needs to be increasing the width a little bit more. Cool. I think that will do it. There's our house. Uh-oh. Okay. now let's take a look at it. Oh, I'm flying around too fast. Yeah, that looks great. Oh, okay. We have some issues here. Let's go back up in this mode. Let's resolve this one first. Of it not lining up. With that thing. It needs to properly line up at the front. Otherwise, that's going to give us issues. 2.189. Okay, I'll just copy paste that and hope that works. Copy paste it for this as well. That means it increased the gap here now. So this will need to go like that. And we will have to increase it a little bit more. That's fine. As long as the... Come on. Can you not do that? Okay. Okay, never mind. It's still gonna do it. I don't know how to disable that, man. I really... Oh. So, it does change based on that. Okay. Right, let's just go into this... Oh, why am I oh my god. Okay, this... Maybe I'm just flying a little too fast for this. Okay, this needs to move a little bit out, don't you think? Yeah, that's fine now. Maybe not. That's fine. This looks perfectly fine. This side looks perfect. Yep. I mean, I did notice this small thing here, but I think that should be okay, right? I could just do a little bit of like that. That'll fix it. Yeah, that looks fine to me. Okay, now roof. For that, I got this. Okay, let's move it a little bit forward. Nice, nice. Let's copy this, paste it, move it to the... Oh, okay. Maybe I'll want to slow down the speed. All right. Let's see back. Give it a rotation of -1. That's not gonna work. -Z. That will work. Move it itsy forward so it's flush and lined up. Nice, nice. And there you go. We have a roof. It's not closed. That's another problem. But hey, at least it's a roof. That's what matters. Hey. Okay, it's definitely not lined up. Okay, so that means I'll have to select all 3 of these. Figure out how much they're covering on the X and center this. Only if this was like 2D where I could just select them. And then just figure out what their center was. Automatically. With the click off one button. Okay, I still feel like this is not the way I want it. Now it's much... Wait, this has displacement in it? No. There's no... Oh no. Okay, it's just the mesh which has... okay. Look, it's the mesh which has the bumps and all of that. I get it, look at that. It's that bump right there. And the wireframe. I get it. I get it. 2D. Looks cool, right? Not bad. I like it. Small little house. Now, I do notice that it's not equal at all. Oh, good. Okay. Let me see. The only way I can do this, I think, is going to be like this, to be honest with you. Like that. And then just center it out. Can I hide the grids for the moment? Okay, cool. Actually, that looks... Yeah, that looks great. Okay, let's copy it. Go towards the back side. Paste it. And is it the way it should be? I think now it is. Let's take a look. Yep, that looks fine. This still looks a little off-centered. now it looks fine. Cool. Now for this part, that's where those things you saw in bridge, right? Come in. So what I'll do is I'll use planks because I got these wooden beams and use those as that. I'll repurpose it. Or I have one more thing that I can do, and that is to use planes and hay bale, which also can work. Let me show you how. I think it can work, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to give it a go first. Let's export that texture. Okay, here we go. Alright, is my stream dropping any frames? Excellent. Nice. Okay, cool. We should have this in here now. Oh, that's the cliff. Wrong one. Hey, Bill. Okay, materials. Right. Now what I'll do, 3D object, plane. There it is. Reduce it in size. Move it. Reduce it in size. Okay, the way I'll have to do this is again, like that. Okay. Oh, I can't see the plane. Uh-oh. Okay.
For the perfect Nescafe.
Please no, please no. Okay. Come on, go away. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna reduce it in length and give it a rotation. How much? Yeah, I don't know. That's what I need to figure out. And now I noticed. Uh-oh. Okay. That it's too long as well. That's something we need to fix. Now this can easily be fixed if you go into this ISO mode. Go to the front and then just give it a rotation. I don't know why it's not showing me it anymore, but that's normally the way you would do it. Give it a rotation till it lines up. I think that lines up. Yep, that lines up. And then we need to reduce its length. Move it a little bit up and inside like that. Okay, let's get out of this mode. Perspective mode. Okay, now that is covering it perfectly. Now let's just increase the size of it so it fits it. And I think that fits it very well, chat. All I do is drag and drop it. Oh, it works! It works! I was right, it will work! Okay, cool. Offset. Alright. 5? Is that something we should go with? I think that looks natural, right? Yeah, that looks good. That looks too uniform, which is something that I don't personally like. So let's try 2 in the offset. No, that doesn't work. Well, there's not much I can do about that. Okay. Anyways, does it fit in? It fits in perfectly. We'll make sure every angle is sealed because we don't want any water going in. Oh, maybe this side isn't sealed. Okay, I know I fixed that. Don't worry, I'll fix that. Copy paste it. Give it a negative rotation. I'm going to the front view. Can get the front view, please? That's also fine, to be honest. And there we go. Let's line it up. Do they intersect? They don't. Okay, that means we need to give it an increase in length. Which length did that increase again? Okay, it's changing that length. Let's do that. Copy this. Go here. Do the same thing. And voila. Oh, it's a little bit forward. Okay, there we go. Cool. I think that does it, right? Let me just make sure. No, it's a little too forward, I think. It should be like that, technically. Yeah, okay. And what does it do when it's here then? Okay. Let's move it a little bit on the inside. I guess I'll have to rotate a little bit because its rotation doesn't necessarily match up with the other one. And then move it down. Actually, let's not rotate it. Let's bring it back and bring it down. That's too down though. Okay, what about now? Do you work? Do you work? Okay, now you see, it needs to go down. A little bit down again. And back again. Okay. I think that's good enough. There you go, chat. Our house is complete. Now, the only thing bad about this is that shadow, you see? So we need to fix those. We can't have those ugly shadows like that, man. That's gonna... I know that's gonna now annoy me, so I'm gonna get rid of them. I can't deal with those. I'll be honest, I really can't deal with those. So, I'm just gonna do that. It will keep it lined up here. Go here. Hold on, chat, I need to do one more thing. Okay. Just wanted to check one thing, don't worry. Okay. Cool. Hopefully yours still fit. Yeah, it is. Cool, look at that. It is a little bit outside at the bottom, but I think I'm okay with that. This, however, is not okay. This needs to be fixed right away. Okay. It needs a little bit of rotation again to be on the inside. Move it a little bit. Okay. Let me see. Oh no, you're doing that thing again? Hold on. I really don't want that. Are you inside? Yeah, okay, you are. What about this side? No, you're long. Okay, so that's one issue. So it was a little too long. But they should be symmetric. Until and unless this itself isn't symmetrical. Oh, it isn't. Oh, okay. That explains it. Yeah, that massive gap is yes, no. No. We're not letting that happen. Okay. And now it should be fine. Yeah, cool. The angle of it is off. I'll fix that. Okay, cool. That will do it, right? For now, yeah. That's okay. Now you see this thing down here? I need to fix that. How do I fix it? Well, I have logs. So I'm gonna use those now. Where is it? This one. Wooden beam. Okay. Wrong side. Is that a 90-degree rotation? It is. Okay. Let's move you here and up. And up and close. And now a little bit to the center, of course, and then just increase its length like so. It needs to be moved a little bit there. Can I make this two-sided? Is there anything I can do to make it two-sided? Maybe I can select the plane and make it two-sided. Convex? No, no, no. Cache two-sided? Okay, no. I'll look into that. Hold on. First, let's just deal with this current issue that we have. Okay. That's good. I think I have a solution to that as well. We could just make it like longer and thicker. Like just put it there. Like that. Yeah, I think that's like the easiest fix to this. Alright, copy paste. Move to the other side. Easy solution. Chat, easy solution. Super duper easy solutions. Yeah, this side is much wider than the other one. But that's okay. It's a medieval house. They didn't do perfect stuff, I think. I could be wrong. Probably am wrong. They probably knew better geometry than me, but okay. Dude, look at that house. Beautiful. Okay, so the normal map on this, I need to fix that now. How do I do that? I'll show you. Give me one moment, okay? So what we do is we go into the surfaces, and then we go into the Haybuild. And in here, there's a normal map option, which it's set to that. Let's make that 2. Just so it has a little bit more effect of it. There we go. Cool. Now on these, these are prefabs of assets. So I'll have to figure out which one this is. Let's see. Gable. Okay. Textures. No, materials. This one. If I go in here and turn that to 5, you can see that it makes that effect a lot more dramatic. So I'll move that to 2 or 1, 2. Just so it's a little more edgy, you know? Okay, so this thing now, it's a prefab. I open it, and we will find this shader right here. And all I do, now that I figured out that I was being a little dumb, is make this more noticeable. And if we go back, there you go. And if I go here, and I open this prefab, let me just click on any one of these. We have the texture again. We take the normal map, we make it 2, just to give it a little bit more detail. So when we're looking at it, it looks nice. Look at that. Okay, good. What about a door? Let's change the door a bit. That actually kind of looks flat. I've got to definitely make that one better. Okay, let's do that. Open. And then we have the texture. Let's go to the texture. Let's go in here. Make that 3. Save it. I think 3 is too much. 3 is too much. 2 is good. 2 is good. And that just adds a little more depth to the look and feel of that thing. Now, there's one more thing that I noticed we can do. And that is this. Give it a little bit of rotation to cover it up. Oh, wrong rotation. Wait. What? Why are you rotated like that? You're supposed to be 90. Hello? Okay. I don't know why that's happening, but sure. Wait, is it on the other side as well? No. It's only doing... Okay, let's just delete that. Copy this one again, paste it, move it, move along with it, move it. I just put it in here. I can't be bothered. fixing stuff over and over again. It takes too much time. I only have made like one of these houses. Probably I'll just use one, to be honest. Okay, now what I do is I create an empty
दोस्तों ने रोड ट्रिप प्लान किया तो कहानी की शर्त लग गई कि
and mute that for a moment. Rename this to house. Move that down here. We select everything that's there, put it into this. Oh. We select everything like that, put it inside that, and now we have a house. Now we can just move. Oh, wrong one. Like that. Cool, right? Nice. Let's turn the music back on. And let's go back here. Okay, cool. Now that that is done, now we just need to bring it over. Copy it. I just Control C it, and then I go back to my scenes, sample scene, save it. Give this a moment to load in. There we go. Don't worry, I'm below the terrain. That's fine. Whoa, lag much. We come in here and we place it, and we bring it all the way over here. Come on now. Gotta move. There you are. Wait, where did it go? Oh. Wrong side, bruh. Too far. Come back. Hold on, chat. I got it. There it is. Come here. There you are. Now it's inside. You're trapped now, house. Oh, it's too small. Okay. Look at the size of the house. Okay. That's fine, don't worry, chat. We'll fix everything. Don't worry about it, okay? This terrain also like up and down and left and right. I'm moving it towards my player at the moment, so I can do a size check if that's actually how big everything is. Okay, move it down here, move it here. Right, so the door, as you can already see, is super tiny and needs to be fixed. So let's fix it. Yeah, there's no way my guy fits. Okay, we do that. Oh no, we do that and we make it bigger. And easy fix. Move it back. Is it big enough now? No. Make it bigger. Now it should be big enough. Is it big enough now? Probably, right? Okay, it is. It's just a little too big in the height. So let's make that a little bit smaller. There we go. Now it's sized appropriately. Is it in the ground or is it floating? A little floaty house. A little floaty. That's fine. Now what we are gonna do, we're gonna make our own prefabs. Folder. Prefabs. And let's put this house in it. So this house is now sized the right way, which is good. Okay. My player is floating. So this house, now I can just move. Actually, I can just probably delete that, right? And just bring this one in again. Now I can do rotations on it. Now I can do whatever I want with it. So I'm going to rotate it a little bit like that, because it's a little off-centered. Move it around. Let's place a couple of these houses around here. So this is one house. Let's move that like there. This is going to be a massive village. Let's take a look at the house, chat. Looks good, in my opinion. Needs a little bit of fixing on the leveling, but looks good. Let's wait for the lightning to do its thing. Oh, look at that water drop. Cool. Come on, lightning. Do your thing. Right, now let's look at it. I think that looks great. Yeah, like the water and everything is fine. Does the collision work? Let's see. Oh, the collision works as well. Exactly the way it should. Great. Amazing. Perfect. Okay, let's go a little bit back here. There we have it, chat. We finally have ourselves a house. It's a little wonky. Yes, it is. You're not wrong. Don't worry, I'm fixing it. Okay, I think that will do. It should be grounded now. Yep. Yep, okay. A little bit of landscaping needed here. A little small brush. A little small tiny brush. Oh, shoot. Little small brush. There we go. A little bit like that. A little bit of landscaping. A little tiny bit. A little bit lower from this side like that. Oh, now it's floating. Hold on. Let's bring that back up. There we go. A little bit lower from this side, maybe. Cool. Oh no, it's a little floaty. Increase that. Floaty house. Fix it. There we go. Fixed. Okay, cool. That's just one house out of like hundreds. A lot of hundreds. I ain't adding 100 houses, but okay. Let's move you here and do a comparison of how big the house is. Again, because I like, you know, I want it to be sized appropriately. Yeah, it's fine. However, I want to look at it in a different weather environment, man. CTS, Microsplat, Uber, Lux, Global Snow. I have no idea what those are. Pegasus, Fog Volume Support, Aura 2, Networking, Photon. Ooh, I've heard about that. Utilities, Cube Map Resolution, Export Sky to HDR Cube Map. Nah, none of this stuff. Show. Storm, let's put it to clear. Cloudy, maybe cloudy. Yeah, let's put it to cloudy. Let's go into game mode. Play it. And get a feel for it. Ooh, shiny light. I don't like that there's no shadows here. There's supposed to be shadows here. It's not a floating house. This isn't producing shadows. Hold on, chat. These need to be producing shadows. But actually they are producing shadows, never mind. It's just the way the lighting is. Okay, never mind. Okay, now one more thing that I wanted to do is for the trees. These trees now, the issue that I'm watching is if I find this, okay, and the lots. So I'm gonna move like lot 2, that's fine, to like 50%. Oh, what? Look at that tree. Move this to 50%. I'm gonna move all of them to 50%. And let's see if that helps with the visual appearance of the game. I'm not sure if it will or not, but this is the only thing we can do to find out, really. So let's see. Okay, all of them should be at 50%. Yep. Okay, cool. Let's give it a play now. Okay, they're loading in. I'm waiting for those one to load in at the back. Okay, they've loaded in at this point, and now these are all. Should I just make them all lot 1? I think that's like a better idea. I will just give it a little better look, I guess. But, you know, we gotta do something to optimize the game, so I think it's okay. Alright, fine. Fine, chat, fine. We have a house. Can I turn the lighting off for the moment? Okay, we have the house. How much time have I spent on this? Oh, we only spent an hour. Okay, that's just Valorant stuff. We spent an hour. We managed to fix our lighting a little bit. Why is there a moon there? What? Okay, we managed to fix our lighting. We managed to do a little bit of building of houses. Actually, managed to finish the house in like what? Probably like 40 minutes, which is great. I won't complain about that. Looks great as well. To me, anyways. I'm noticing these issues here, but that's fine. I'm not worried about that. That's like going into details, and we don't have time for that much details anyway. Okay, yeah, looks great. Now, if I go here, high resolution. Ambient occlusion. Real-time lighting, baked global illumination. Resolution 2048. Environment lighting, gradient, color. Actually, skybox. Let me see how it changes. Skybox, color. Let me make the color black. That just makes them all black. Okay. That just gives it like a blue tint. Oh. We could go like red. What does that do? Play it, please. Oh, it just changed back to default. Okay. I guess. Nothing we can do about it. Sad. Alright. Let's generate lighting. Let's bake it. Wait, why is it doing it 512? Ooh, that was fast. It should be higher. Oh, 4096. Again, do that again. Baking device, GeForce RTX 3080. Yay! At least it can do it faster, you know? I'm very happy about that. That it's able to do it faster, so that's good. That's very good. Oh, look at all those moving stuff. Because it's that cool. I could be dropping frames. Encoding over. Okay, it's gone now. That means it's probably done. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now the lighting is baked. So if I turn this on, they shouldn't be... Never mind, it's still horrible. I don't think that's how light baking works, apparently. Now let's play it and see if that made it... Oh, it did make a difference. Oh, it made a lot of difference. Why are these trees here, man? I didn't place them. Go away. Shoo. I need to turn down the wind. I want to go and... I want to go to the top of the mountain. Hold on. I want to see what it looks like at the top. Hold on. One moment, chat. Where is your speed, man? 60. There we go. I'm gonna... the reason I want to go to the top of the mountain is because I want to see how these looked. They look amazing. That's good to know. Look at them. These grassy things that you see, right? Okay. At the top, we've got our, of course, trees. Again, look at that snow. Bright.
Xiaomi Pakistan
And cool.
brings to you the
All right.
most awaited phone series of the year.
Dude, come on. Okay, that's a 30-second ad. Wow, okay. Actually, more than... No, it's a 30-second ad. Okay. Fine, cool. I'm fine with that. I didn't check my FPS. Hold on. FPS check, chat. Quick FPS check. 160 FPS with those graphics. Not bad. Considering I'm not using HDRP or URP. What are those? Those are render pipelines. Something to be talked about later. This that you see here, CPU main, that used to be like in 30 milliseconds for me before. 30 milliseconds. And now that's down to 6. So that's very good. Very, very good. Okay, cool. I think that's it for today, chat. I'm going to go play some Valorant. And I'll be back later on. I'll probably do some more streaming if I'm developing the game. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining in. And take care.